Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Today I'll show you how to make money online 5 way without investment in home. Top online earning website in 2022 without investment. Online earning website in 2022 are the best place to earn money from home without investment. There are money opportunities with simple tools and service that help you to earn money online without uh, registration free. In this post you will learn you to make money online. Top earning website number one, Bysense. This is very an extra online platform. So today I'll show earning a website, but this website it is next video. To number two, Sharkbox. Number three, Amazon. Amazon is a very popular website without investment earning and home. Amazon is one of the best money earning online sites which offers money opportunities become an affiliate marketing place. Meesho. Meesho is one of the top money earning app or sites to earn money through reselling. There are many people who are making regular income from on the Meesho online earning. Upwork. Join the world work marketplace. Upwork is one of the top money earning sites which helps you earn money uh, through several tools on the internet. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the popular freelancing earning website. Um, so yeah, 5 website details. Next video. So everyone, thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.